Okay, I'm going to solve this system of equations by graphing them. So I have the top equation, which is y equals the quantity x minus 4 squared plus 3. And then I have the second equation, y equals 2x plus 3. Okay, on the first equation, I know it's a quadratic equation, which is a graph of a parabola, because the variable is squared. See, it's to the second power. Now, the location of this vertex point, the place where the parabola is either at its lowest spot or highest spot if it was opening downward, is found by taking the opposite of this number. The opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. So you go to the right 4, and then the plus 3 means go up 3. And that's where the vertex point is. Now, to get a second point on this parabola, you first have to see what the sign is in front of this. This is positive. That means that this is opening upward. And since the coefficient here is 1, we have one of these things, then the next point is going to be over 1, up 1. And you can get a second point right there. So that's how you can get to the graph of your parabola. And really, you only need those 2 points. Again, the vertex point, the x part is the opposite of this number. The opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. And go with the sign on this one, tells you how much is up or down. So the vertex point is at 4, 3. 4, 3. And then I know it's opening up because it's positive. The coefficient in front here is 1. So I go over 1, up 1. So then I have my parabola. Now I have to graph this line. To graph this line, I know that the y-intercept is 3, right here, and I know the slope is 2. Slope is rise over run, so from this y-intercept, rise 2, run 1, because 2 is equal to 2 over 1, rise 2, run 1, and that gives you your second point right there. So on the line again, you have your y-intercept of 3, put a dot right there, and then to get the second point, use the slope of 2. 2 is the same as 2 over 1, and slope is rise over run. So we rise 2, run 1 from our y-intercept to get our second point. And then all it takes is the 2 points, and you have it made. Now, this solution is where the 2 graphs intersect. So once you have the 2 graphs, just see where they intersect. And this intersects right here, and that point is 2, 7. 2 on the x and 7 on the y. So that is the solution to that system of equations.